Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I've partnered up with Dossier, and this is an exciting collaboration for me because Dossier is a brand that I really grown to enjoy and love. And before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Hit the like button and activate that notification bell. And without further ado, let me show you how you can smell expensive for less. So Dossier gifted me two of their fragrances, which I will be reviewing for you. And let me tell you a little bit about Dossier as a company. So they make luxury brand inspired fragrances. So they have designer, luxury, and niche. And all of their designer fragrances are $29. Yes, you heard right, $29 only. And their luxury and niche are $39, which is also a steal. They were also kind enough to give me a 10% discount code. They also offer a unique risk-free system. Send you a sample with your full-size fragrance, and before you open the fragrance and before you commit, try the sample. And if you don't like it, you return it risk-free, 100% refund, no questions asked. And I will show you what they look like. It comes in a box like this, which I love. It comes in a box like this. And it comes with a card which has the notes on it, the name of the fragrance, and what the fragrance is inspired by, which designer house. And it comes with the full-size bottle that looks like this. And this is the sample that you get with it. It's labeled, and you use this. If you don't like it, you return the full size, no questions asked, for a full refund. A few more things about the brand. So they're a clean brand. They're cruelty-free. They're vegan, which is really good to know. They're very animal friendly. And for all the animal lovers, including myself, that's such a great thing. And their product is manufactured in France, and they use all high quality ingredients. So I'll talk about the first fragrance that they sent me. The first one is called Oriental Woody One. Let's take a moment to talk about the bottles as well. Their bottles are very simplistic. They have the name of the fragrance in the front. It's a magnetic cap, which is something I love, and luxury fragrances offer that, so this is wonderful. It's minimalistic, yet it looks very elegant. So this one is called Oriental Woody One, and this was inspired by Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. I used to own a bottle of Coco Mademoiselle. It was gifted to me years ago. It used to be my signature scent, something I wore to the office every day. And I still remember what it smells like. So I'm going to read you the notes. So this contains bergamot, orange, jasmine, rose, patchouli, vanilla, vetiver, and white musks. And this is what I remember. This smells just like it. Same scent. You don't have to spend a fortune, break the bank for the actual. Smells just like it. The performance on this is great. It has great sillage, great longevity, great projection. It smells so good. You've smelled Coco Chanel's Mademoiselle. This is an exact match. Smells just like it. Love this. So this next one is Woody One, and this is inspired by YSL Montpellier. And the notes in this are bergamot, raspberry, strawberry, jasmine, orange blossom, pear, datura, patchouli, white musk, and cedar wood. And I have smelled YSL Monterey numerous times. I just didn't want to pick it up because I do feel like it lacks in longevity. I do like the scent, but for me, it's just not great performance-wise. Let's try this one out. It smells just like it. You smell the berries, you smell that jasmine, the pear. This is YSL Monterey. This is the scent that you get. So if you don't own that one and you have wanted it but just didn't want to break the bank and spend the money because you didn't think maybe it was worth it, this is $29, you guys, as is the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle inspired one, which is Oriental Woody one. These are $29, which is wow, and 10% off on top of that. I will put the code down below as well as the links to these fragrances and to the website. And I mean, this is delicious, and this is way longer lasting than the YSL Monterey. This stays on the skin for a good 8 to 9 hours. It gives me great projection, great staying power. This really packs a punch, as does this one. Both of these pack a punch, and I'm so happy to talk about these because I feel like it's such a great alternative to the pricier fragrances out there. So this is the Dossier, and this one is Oriental Woody one, and this is Woody one. And love them both. Very happy with this. Thank you, Dossier. That concludes my video for today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And I hope to see you back here soon. Take care.